Welcome to the Yanos update, and we're back with another episode. On today's Yanos update, we have the international DJ Vigro Deep, who was spotted at an international gig reviewing new music, which at the crowd go crazy, as seen on the video. The following two videos are called Sound Test Part 1 and 2, which are probably set to drop later on this year. He's definitely shutting down events with this one, and during his Europe tour, he went live from the London studios with an hour of the best with amapiano. The atmosphere of the place is definitely evident that it's gonna be a banger. We can't wait for this one. Stay tuned for more.
Sound check. Preparing and initiating bass test. Preparing and initiating treble test. Treble test complete. Preparing and initiating vocals test. Vocals test complete.